Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your life. Today, we're excited to introduce the best pool cover for your above-ground pool, the 24 feet round pool cover. If you're looking for a reliable and durable solution to protect your pool throughout the year, this is the cover you need. This winter pool cover is crafted from supreme mesh material, with a tough polyethylene scrim and coating. This unique construction ensures exceptional strength and resilience, even in the harshest winter conditions. Whether you're dealing with heavy snowfall or extreme cold temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit, this cover has got your pool covered. It shields your pool from precipitation, debris, and the elements, keeping your pool in pristine condition for the next swimming season. But it's not just for winter. This pool cover offers year-round sun and UV protection, ensuring your pool is safeguarded from the damaging effects of UV rays during the warmer months as well. The heat-sealed seams further enhance its resistance to UV radiation, making it a reliable cover for every season. Installation is a breeze with this cover. It comes with clear instructions and includes a heavy-duty, vinyl-coated cable with a tightening winch for easy setup. The rip-proof metal grommets, spaced 30 inches apart, ensure a secure and snug fit around your pool, preventing any unwanted debris from getting in. Designed specifically for 24 feet round above-ground pools, this cover provides a custom fit, giving you peace of mind knowing that your pool is fully protected. It's a must-have for pool owners who want to keep their pool clean, safe, and ready for use at all times. So if you're in the market for a pool cover that offers outstanding durability, easy installation, and year-round protection, look no further than the 24 feet round pool cover. Protect your investment and enjoy your pool for years to come. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.